Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today it's barbecue cheese grits. This one should be interesting. Stick around. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. So if you're like me, a lot of times you have barbecue leftovers. What we're gonna do today is take this big old hunkin' beef rib that we didn't eat. We're gonna rehydrate it with some beef broth. Pretty simple. We're gonna put it in aluminum foil after we pull the beef rib, and we're gonna throw it on the Blaze gas grill just to reheat the meat. All right, so what we're gonna do is take a drink of beer. So we need some aluminum foil. Get the heavy duty stuff, don't get that light stuff, it'll tear. Get the beef rib on there, and we'll just start shredding. So what we'll do is just chop this up. Shredding didn't work out too well. Plenty of fat and marbling, as you can see right in here. So it's not gonna take a whole lot to get this rehydrated. So let's just take all that and start chopping. Move that off to the side. Chopped beef was a lot easier than pulled beef. Come back with our aluminum foil, and we're just gonna rehydrate with some beef broth. About like that. Wrap it up, just so that the liquid doesn't spill out. Leave a little bit for steam to escape, kind of like a foil boat type deal. And place it on the grill. I'm gonna do indirect heat. All right, so the chopped beef is smelling really good. It's time to get it off the grill and see what we got. All right, folks, let's see what we have here. Oh, man. And of course, you know I gotta sample just a little piece. I mean, the moisture, you see on my glove there how it's retained the moisture. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Okay, let's make this happen. Set this off to the side. Cheese grits. Pulled beef rib. Chopped beef rib, whatever you want to call it. So next, I really like this brand of barbecue sauce. This redneck lipstick. It says it's real good right there. So this one's hot and spicy. I think it's going to go great with this Cajun flair dish. Do a little drizzle, about like that. Chopped green onion. Bam. There you have it. Barbecue cheese grits. All right, let's take this bite right here. Oh, that's good. One more bite. I know you don't like to hear me eat on camera, but you can always mute it. Green onion on top of that barbecue sauce, that juicy beef rib, the cheese grits. All these flavors combine so well. Oh, that's a home run. All right, guys, this is a hit. If you're looking for something to do with your leftover barbecue, This is an inexpensive meal. I mean, it's cheese grits. My wife came up with this dish. Miss Casks-n-Que knocked it out of the park. All I had to do was smoke some ribs, and she pretty much did the rest. So credit goes to her. She's sitting right there in the back watching me, giving herself a thumbs up. Anyway, hey, we certainly appreciate you stopping by and watching our videos. We're a small channel, and we appreciate any support that you give us. As a matter of fact, if you don't mind, if you like this content, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. Hey, we certainly appreciate you sticking around. We'll see you next time.